Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. It's freezing out here. I'm going to show you how to put some LED light bulbs in your gauge cluster today. So let's get started. So we got our bulbs, which I just ordered off the internet, link in the description below. So let's get started. You take it out, the bolt holes there, 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 and there. And then you pull the cluster out. So let's flip it over. Mine's fucked up right here pretty bad. I don't know what happened, and this flap is like, won't close. I'm not really sure what it's about, but let's do it. So you need like some kind of small plier. You just take this, twist, and pull out. Oh my gosh. Then you got the little bulb. There we go. Did you see that? The bulb pulls right out. Take one of our new bulbs. It's not very simple, but there you go. Now you have a completed bulb. It was a little bit of a struggle, but alright, then you just take it and you go to put it back in. I'm not sure what these two do. I'm just gonna leave them the way they are. We'll see what happens. But that's all of them. Okay, let's go back and install it. Alright, so let's get this thing installed. Let's get the cluster with all the bulbs in it, and then we just take this one first. This guy. Back. So here you can see like the red works. It's daytime, so it's hard for me to film this, but I wanted to show you guys something. This plug right here, if you move it up and down, watch, see the red right here? See the red right here? If you move this up and down, look, it like shuts the lights off, turns it back on. It's just moving this like this. Super annoying. So mine's like, if you push it downward, the lights work. And I know a lot of people are asking about this, but if the dimming works, might be a little bit hard to see on video, but can you tell that it does still work? If you look up right here in the corner, it's dark, 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 bright. Can you see it? Do it a couple more times just so you can see. But as this changes, there we go. So brightness does work, does indeed work with the LED bulbs. Well, anyways, put the cluster there. That. Take this. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that helped you put some LED bulbs into your cluster of your Honda Element. If you have any questions, leave them below in the comments. I do want to shout out Tom Hicks. Thanks not only for subscribing to my channel, but telling me that little trick. It ended up being just the plug on the back, like I just showed, wasn't the bulb, so I don't know, that little faulty element wiring. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subs before February 20th. So all the subscribers, I really do appreciate it very much. Thank you so much. Leave the video a like if it was helpful, and stay tuned, guys. Peace.